Continue.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome dear students, how are you all? I think you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Mahmoud Hassan, Senior Teacher, English, Ahmed Bawani Academy. Welcome you all to our online class. Dear students, today I am going to take a class for the students of class 9 on the assignment of English, and this is the short syllabus of assignment, and we should see the syllabus at first. Here the unit and title of lesson. First one, grammar, changing sentence into passive. That means the sentence will be in passive form. And activity 3, page number 183 to 184. In these two pages you will get these questions of your text of English second paper, and then second one, formal letter, and we shall discuss these two things one by one. Okay, so I shall start the first one, grammar, changing sentence, passive, activity 3, page number 183. If you have any confusion, you can open your book. Okay, so activity 3, complete this conversation between two friends using the words after it. A to I and the correct passive form. The first one is done for you. That means there are some fill in the blanks. You have to complete this using these questions also. That means using these points. Here, first one is done for us. Antara, have you seen my recent post in Facebook? This is the dialogue, and there are some gaps here, and we have to make these clues into passive form. Here the clues. Here there are two gaps. Gap number 1 and gap number A and gap number B. And for this clue, for gap number 1, the clue is where the photograph take. That means this is in active sense, we have to make it passive. So first one is, the answer is where are the photographs, where the photographs taken. Dear students, we know that there are two kinds of bias, active bias and passive bias, and all the clues are in active. That means we have to make them passive, and we know that the structure of passive voice is that means subject will be object, object will be subject, and then after subject we have to use auxiliary verb, then B3, that means third form of verb, and then any kind of preposition by or any other preposition, and then object. That means subject will be object. In this way we have to we shall try to change this active into passive. So the information is where the photographs take, so it will be where the photographs taken. This is the answer. And second one, here the passage is, have you seen my recent photos in Facebook? Omi or Amy, yes, they are lovely. Where were they taken? That means Omi has asked Antara the question. Antara is answering, Antara, on my way to Borishal from Dhaka. That means when she was going to Borishal from Dhaka. And Amy, okay, and the clue is when they take. When they take. So the answer will be when were they taken. When were they taken? Because this was in past tense, that's why you have to use auxiliary verb from past tense. Where were they taken? This is the here after when we have to use auxiliary verb and then subject and then third form of verb. And these are two gaps here. Next go to the third gap, and Antara again says, last week when I went to my cousin's wedding party. And Amy, here the question C, and the clue is I not invite. That means this happened in past that means it will be in past indefinite, and we know that in past indefinite tense the auxiliary verb will be was or were for passive voice. So answer will be I wasn't invited. Here not is also used, that's why we have to use in this way, I wasn't invited. So I didn't know. Now Antara dash must early, and sorry that dash not a dash, and number E dash a big party. Here the clue is of 6 C, I was not invited, and third one, the party not planned. That means we have to make it in passive form. So answer will be the party wasn't planned much early. That party wasn't planned much early, and sorry that. Here number, this is also the number of D that was not planned. Okay, that was not planned. And now number E, the clue is many people invite. That means it will be in passive form, many people were not invited. Many people were not invited. That means all gaps will be filled using passive form. That means we have to take the clue from here, and this is the number E. And another gap, number F, a big party dash, a big party arranged soon. That means a big party will be arranged soon. This is in passive form of a big party arranged soon. Okay, and this is the passage, and I think next closer. Here is the how many people invite. Number A is how many people invite. Number I not surprised. Here Ami is saying dash in the previous one. We have to make it passive from question number G. So the answer will be how many people were invited. Here the clue is how many people invite. Answer will be how many people were invited. How many people were invited in the previous one. Antara is saying all my family members only, roughly about 15 to 20. And Ami, how dash in the next one. Here the clue from A is how many people invite. That means it will be in passive form. How many people will be invited in the next one. So as the word next one, that's why we have to write down it in future. Okay, and then a few hundred, I guess. And me, I am dash. Here the clue is not surprised. That means I am not surprised. It should be like that. As it is a marriage ceremony, there will be so many people. So dear students, these are the gaps, and these are the answers of the question. So we have completed the first one. That means grammar changing sentence into passive. There were some gaps, and we have completed these gaps. Now I am going to the second one here, formal letter. Okay, the formal letter is, okay, we shall see the formal letter. Here suppose you are Lima or Lemon. You have to think you are Lima or Lemon. If you are a male person, you will think yourself as Lemon, and if you are female person, you will think you as Lima. You are a student of class 9 on Sripur Kumaria High School, Sripur. That means you are the students of Sripur Kumaria High School. In your school, you don't have any supply of safe drinking water. There is no supply of safe drinking water. Now, write an application to your head teacher to arrange safe drinking water for the students. Okay, then you have to write down an application to the head teacher. That means headmaster or principal. As it has been identified as head teacher, you will use head teacher. Okay, that means we have to write down an application according to the instruction. You will be Limu or Lemon, and you are a student of Sripur Kumaria High School, Sripur. Okay, so I am going to the application, and this is the application, and I am going to read out the application. 30 November 2020. Today is 30 November, the last day of November. The head teacher Sripur Kumaria High School, because you are given some clue, because you are the students of Sripur High School. That's why you have to write down Sripur Kumaria High School, Sripur. You shouldn't write down here the principal Ahmed Bauni Academy, because it has been identified. Okay, that's why you have to write down in this way: the head teacher, Sripur Kumaria High School, Sripur. The subject is, we know that we have to write down subject in an application. Subject: application for supplying pure drinking water for the students, or you can write down prayer for supplying pure drinking water for the students. Okay, now dear sir, we have the honor to draw your kind attention to the fact that our school does not supply pure drinking water. That means your school do not have any supply of pure drinking water. As a result, we have been suffering from the acute scarcity of pure drinking water. There is no pure drinking water in your school. You have to drink impure water. Okay. Some of the students have already got fatal diseases. That means taking impure water, they have become ill. Okay. That means some of the students have already got fatal diseases like cholera, diarrhea, dysentery and other waterborne diseases by taking impure water. So dear students, this is the first part. That means first part of the application. You can take a screenshot to follow later. Okay, you can take a screenshot. I will give you some time to take any screenshot. Okay, I think you have taken a screenshot for your better understanding or to follow it later. And now I am going to the next slide to complete the application. Okay, this is the last part. We therefore pray and hope that you would be kind enough to take necessary steps to supply pure drinking water in to remove the suffering of the students. Okay, drinking water in our school to remove the sufferings of the students. Now, you sincerely, Limon or Limi. If you are male person, you must write down Limon, and if you are female person, you must write down a Limo. Anyone you can write down. On behalf of the students of class 9, Sripur Kumaria High School. Okay, that means this school has been identified in the syllabus. That's why you have to, we are bound to write down the name of these, and you must write down Limon or Limo. You cannot write down your original name. Okay, so dear students, thank you all. See you again in the another class in another day. Till then, stay safe. So Allah Hafiz.